Welcome back to Melody Guitar Book 3. This book focuses on reading and playing melodies in standard music notation. You can watch all these videos for free, but it's going to be a lot easier to learn if you have your own copy of Melody Guitar 3 that you can read from and write in. Plus, you can help support a music teacher, so I'll leave a link in the description. We're on pages 32 and 33. We have a new type of time signature. We're going to be looking at 3/8, 6/8, and 9/8 time. In the time signatures you've learned so far, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4, the basic beat is the quarter note. In 3/8, 6/8, and 9/8 time signatures, the basic beat is now the eighth note. Remember, in your time signatures, the top number tells you how many beats per measure, the bottom number tells you what kind of note is counted as the beat. So in 3/8 time, we have 3 beats per measure, with the eighth note getting counted as the beat. So those 3/8 notes in that 3/8 example would be counted 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In 6/8 time, we have 6 beats per measure with the eighth note getting the beat. And notice these eighth notes are all going to be grouped in sets of 3. It'll have kind of a triplet feel. So 6/8 will be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9/8 time, surprise, surprise, has 9 beats per measure with your eighth note getting the beat. And this is how these eighth notes will be counted. And again, they're grouped in 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As already mentioned, eighth notes are generally grouped in 3s when you're playing in 3/8, 6/8, and 9/8 time. And usually the tempo is going to be quick enough that those notes are going to feel more like triplets than individual beats. So even though the eighth note technically gets the beat, often the dotted quarter note will feel like the actual beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On top of page 33, we have numbers 54 through 57. These are all in 6/8 time because 6/8 is the most common of these types of time signatures. And these are showing some common subdivisions in 6/8 time. So just to get things started, even though these are pretty simple, go ahead and play exercises 54 through 57. I'm going to play each of these twice. The first time I'm going to play through and count out loud. The second time I am not going to count out loud so you can hear the guitar a little bit better. Number 54 is straight eighth notes. It's going to be counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 55 is dotted quarter notes. Each of these dotted quarter notes technically lasts 3 beats because there are 3 eighth notes in a dotted quarter note, but when you're playing fast enough, it's going to feel like your dotted quarter note is your beat. So 55 will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 56 is a very common rhythm in 3/8, 6/8, and 9/8 time. We have a quarter note followed by an eighth note. Remember, in these types of time signatures, your eighth note is your beat, so your quarter note actually lasts for 2 beats. So this is what number 56 will sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number 57, we're reversing that rhythm. We have an eighth note followed by a quarter note. And again, remember that quarter note lasts for 2 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the bottom of page 33, we have numbers 58 through 63 showing what rests will look like in these types of time signatures. You're going to see a lot of dotted quarter note rests in these time signatures. Number 58, we have dotted quarter note followed by dotted quarter rest. Here's what that sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And mute, 5, 6. And mute, 5, 6. Number 59, we're just reversing that. We have a dotted quarter rest followed by a dotted quarter note. That's going to be rest, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rest, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 60, quarter rest followed by an eighth note. And again, the quarter rest is going to last 2 beats because our eighth note now gets the beat, and there are 2 quarter notes in an eighth note. Number 60 will be counted like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 61 is going to sound a whole lot like number 60. All we've done is taken that quarter rest, divided it into 2 eighth note rests. So in these types of time signatures, sometimes you'll see quarter rest and then an eighth note. Sometimes you'll see 2 eighth note rests and an eighth note, but they're counted the same. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 62, fairly common rhythm, eighth note followed by 2 eighth note rests. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice I'm muting on those rests so we have a nice short eighth note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number 63, our figure here is an eighth note followed by eighth rest and then an eighth note. Number 63 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your assignment is to practice the exercises on page 33, and as always, work on keeping a steady tempo by playing along with the video or play to a metronome so you can choose your own tempo. And don't forget to order your own copy of Melody Guitar 3. I'll leave a link for that in the description. Take your time with this, and then when you're ready, I'll see you on page 34. We've got some rhythm drills in 3/8, 6/8, and 9/8 time.